Hi friends, it's Kate with the Live Beyond Limits studio. I'm coming at you with a video blog about what is yoga. I've been getting a lot of questions lately regarding just that. What is yoga? Can I practice yoga? I'm not flexible enough. I can't do those bendy poses. Well, I'm here to tell you all of that's garbage because yoga is just connecting to yourself. Connecting to your mind, to your body, and to your spirit. So knowing the things that make you feel lighter, knowing the things that make you feel heavier or attractive, being aware of your physical body, realizing that you have a lot of parts of your body you're probably not even aware of currently. Being connected to your mind. How do you think? How do you process? How do you react? All of that is yoga. So yes, the postures and what you think of as a yoga class is definitely yoga because the teachers are trying to guide you into that connection via the physical posture. But so is running, so is walking, so is hiking up in the mountains, as long as you're being really consciously aware. In the tantric tradition, yoga is this kind of combination between the masculine and feminine energies of the universe, which are really just a dualistic or a two-sided way of looking at one thing, which is bliss and awareness, experience, being alive. So we have the masculine conscious awareness, and then on the other side we have the feminine experiential bliss, all that is manifest or around us, like this bench, like my body. And so the masculine is more of the head stuff, being aware, being able to say, I am here today and I am breathing. Being able to witness yourself of, oh look, I'm witnessing this right now. All of that is part of yoga. Yoga actually means to yoke or to connect. Again, mind, body, and spirit. So how can you practice yoga today? How can you be a little more connected to yourself, to your experience, to your actions and your reactions? How can you choose to honor your body today? How can you choose to feel into your body today and just experience? Anybody can practice it, whether you're just breathing, whether you're noticing your thoughts, or choosing some other modality, maybe one of our classes, maybe some other experience or workshop. But if you have any other questions, give me a call, 757-784-7327, or shoot me an email, katew@livebeyondlimit.com. And I'd love to help you out, get you paired up with one of our practitioners, get you into a class that'll help you connect in the way you're looking to connect, and make sure that you move forward in your life practice. Remember, it's always a practice. It's never perfect. So just keep at it. And the more you connect, the more you'll be connected. Have a great day. Happy spring. Happy April. And I'll talk to you soon. Take care. Bye-bye.